Hello and welcome to the latest episode of Discover Daily by Perplexity, an AI-generated show covering the latest in tech, science, and culture. I'm Alex, and today we're exploring advancements in health technology, manufacturing automation, innovative allergy treatments, and the ongoing battle between digital libraries and copyright holders. Coming up, we'll examine an AI-powered health coach, a fully automated smartphone factory, a promising DNA-based ointment for allergies, and the legal challenges facing a prominent shadow library. These stories showcase how technology is reshaping our approach to personal wellness, industrial production, medical treatments, and access to information. Let's start with a groundbreaking collaboration that could change the way we manage our health. OpenAI and Thrive Global have joined forces to create Thrive AI Health, a venture that aims to revolutionize personal health management through artificial intelligence. This AI-powered health coach will offer personalized guidance on sleep, nutrition, fitness, stress management, and social connections. The goal? To improve overall health outcomes and reduce chronic diseases. Did you know that 90% of the $4.1 trillion United States healthcare spending is dedicated to treating chronic and mental health conditions? Thrive AI Health aims to address this issue by encouraging small, sustainable lifestyle changes. The AI coach will be trained on peer-reviewed scientific research, biometric data, lab results, and users' personal health information to provide tailored insights and recommendations. To enhance credibility, Thrive AI Health has established research partnerships with leading institutions, including Stanford Medicine and the Rockefeller Neuroscience Institute at West Virginia University. The initial rollout strategy involves offering the service through Thrive Global's corporate clients, with plans to expand to self-insured employers and pharmaceutical companies in the future. Now let's shift gears from personal health to industrial innovation. Xiaomi has unveiled a groundbreaking dark factory in Beijing, showcasing a fully automated smartphone production facility that operates 24/7 without human intervention. This state-of-the-art plant is capable of producing one smartphone every second, representing a significant leap in manufacturing technology. This state-of-the-art plant is capable of producing one smartphone every second, representing a significant leap in manufacturing technology. The facility boasts several cutting-edge features, including micron-level dust filtering technology, a patented Sky Rail system for efficient component transport, and intelligent machines of Xiaomi's own design to control production quality. Perhaps most impressively, the factory's driver assistance systems enable finished vehicles to autonomously drive off the production line. This advanced production process required a substantial investment of 2.4 billion yuan, approximately $330 million, from Xiaomi. The Changping factory has been certified as a National Intelligent Manufacturing Enterprise and has an impressive annual production capacity of 10 million flagship smartphones. It's set to produce Xiaomi's upcoming foldable phones, including the Mix Fold 4 and Mix Flip models. Turning our attention to medical research, researchers at the University of Bonn have developed a novel DNA-based ointment that shows promise in treating allergic contact dermatitis in mice. This innovative approach could potentially revolutionize the management of allergic skin disorders in humans. The ointment uses aptamers, which are single-stranded DNA molecules with a unique, sticky quality that allows them to adhere to specific target molecules. In this case, the researchers isolated aptamers that bind to CCL22, an immune protein that plays a crucial role in allergic reactions by attracting T cells to the site of inflammation. By binding to CCL22, the aptamers effectively block its ability to attract T cells, metaphorically blinding them to the chemokine signals. This targeted approach represents a significant advancement in allergy treatment, as it addresses a specific molecular mechanism of the allergic cascade rather than broadly suppressing the immune system. The promising results in mice have opened up exciting possibilities for treating various skin conditions beyond allergic contact dermatitis, including atopic dermatitis and even malignant melanoma. While the current findings are limited to animal studies, ongoing research aims to determine the treatment's efficacy in humans, potentially offering a safer alternative to traditional therapies. Lastly, let's explore a story that highlights the ongoing tension between open access to information and copyright protection in the digital age. Anna's Archive, a prominent shadow library and search engine for pirated books and academic papers, is facing an uncertain future amid mounting legal challenges and international blockades. The site is embroiled in a multi-million-dollar lawsuit filed by OCLC, which is seeking a default judgment in an Ohio federal court. OCLC's legal action includes demands for a permanent injunction to prevent further scraping and distribution of WorldCat data, monetary compensation, and destruction of all previously scraped data. Several countries have taken legal action to restrict access to Anna's archive, citing copyright infringement concerns. In January 2024, Italian authorities blocked the site, and 2 months later, the Netherlands followed suit. As publishers increasingly prioritize shutting down Anna's archive, it's likely that more countries will implement similar blocking measures in the near future. The outcome of this situation could have far-reaching consequences for the broader ecosystem of online knowledge sharing, potentially reshaping the balance between intellectual property rights and the free dissemination of information. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Discover Daily. If you enjoyed these stories, please subscribe to Discover Daily on your favorite podcast platform. For more information about the topics we've covered today, check out the episode description where you'll find links to each story. Don't forget to download the Perplexity app, available on both Android and iOS, to explore anything and everything. We'll be back tomorrow with more stories from the world of tech, science, and culture. Until then, stay curious.